name and password and login on your agent dashboard. Now you are in now. So basically, this is a quick summary of every activity you are doing, and here as well it shows you your total earnings so far. You understand on your dashboard what you earn and the total activity number of business you have attended to. So this is just like a quick summary for you to see. Now, if you click here, you come straight to the menu. Then you have the home, which I just explained. Then you have the lead. This is where your activity starts. Under leads here, you have two options. You have option of talking to agents, prospective business, physically by yourself, and after you've interacted with the business and they're ready to get on board on Prokip, first of all, to create their account and probably give them free trial first before they make payments, or if they are ready to make payment immediately, you come to add new lead. You put their name there, Chris Sunday. So the name is Chris Sunday. The business name is Chris Sunday. Then you put the business name there, Chris Sun Enterprise. Then you select the category this business actually belongs to, right? It's an electronic business. You put the email, you put the phone number of the business. This is just a text section, So I'm just going to randomly put this information. So you put the phone number, you put the email of this business, you put the email of this business, you put the email, this mail address. Then apart from that, the status of this business, are you negotiating, demo completed, awaiting payment, or interested, Then what is the source of the lead? Where did you get this lead from? Is it on social media? Is it referral? Is it a code call, walking, find nearby? If it's just referral or walking, you want to go and meet them, you click on that. And this lead, is it a company lead or personal lead? Company lead simply means it was assigned to you by the company. Like I assigned this lead to you to attend to. If it's a personal lead, it means you are the one that sourced this lead yourself. So it's very important to select the criteria category of this lead, whether it's personal or company. If it's personal, you click personal, then you click to add lead. Then lead has been created, Crimson Enterprise, right? So you just added this lead, Crimson Enterprise. So after that, you can proceed to click on this business, Crimson Enterprise, and this person, at this point, might have shown them demo, right? Demonstration of the software on your own demo account, and if they are ready or they ask you to send them proposal, you can click on send proposal, and you build your proposal from here. Crimson, you walk through every other thing that is inside that proposal, then you generate all these. The system has generated all these based on. Then you can archive this your proposal. You can save it as a PDF, then forward it to that customer. And some of those content of the proposal, if you want to edit them, before you send them, you can edit them. Then you'll be able to proceed there. So that's how to generate the proposal and download it. So then let's go back to that same business. So let's say after you send proposal to them, they are interested and they want to proceed, you create invoice for them, right? You can create their invoice. So these are the three plans: the standard, premium, and the ultimate plan. Yes, they can add on like you can add extra, like extra location, extra, and if you also carry some responsibility for them, like logistics, stock taking, data entry, you can input that stock taking, add the amount, and add them as add item and generate invoice. Now once you click on this generate invoice, it's going to generate a one-time. You select the plan, then you now generate invoice and send it to the customer, and the customer will now be able to make payments immediately on that invoice that you generated and sent to the customer. Now I skip a stage, which is the stage of convert to business. You already created lead, and if this lead is ready and say, okay, let us do testing of this software, like week or 2 weeks, you can proceed to convert to business, right? So right here is where you are going to create their login details. So here under the username, you can use their email to be their username and input password, or in most cases I used to use the company name as their username. The company name as their username. In most cases I used to do that. So which means you can use Chrison as their username. You leave it at Chrison, but whichever you want to use, you can use Chrison as a username and then set up your default password for them. System can automatically create a password. You have to set up a default password for them by yourself. Then you put the company name, check if it's correct, select the industry, are they starting yet, or you can put this in progress, then the address, then any other different information, then you convert them to lead. So once you converted them to lead, it means you created an account for them already. You have their username and password here, so that's what you are going to basically send to them, and also send the link to Prokip, the link for them to be able to log into Prokip. I think you know that lead, the link. So you're basically going to send them this link. Yeah, you're going to send them this link that I'm trying to type now. You send it to them. Okay, sorry. So you're basically going to send that link to them, which is app.prokip, Africa. You understand? You're basically going to send app.prokip.africa. This link, you send it to them, and they log in with their username and password that you just created for them. You understand? And if after you've done that, they enjoy the 2-week free trial and probably the same proposal to them, they're ready to pay, you come to create invoice. Remember, you create their invoice here, you select their plan, right? Then if you have extra services you want to render, you add it as well. Add extra services, you understand? Or some of them might go for standard, they need extra user, add extra users. So extra user cost 20,000, you understand? And some of them might need extra product space. Every 1,000 product space costs 10,000, so you add it. Normally standard comes with 500, but now you've added extra 1,000 space with 10,000 and extra user, so their total bill will now equals to, you know this 10,000 will be added, this 20,000 will be added to their bill, you understand? So as you can see, I've added it to their bill, so their bill will now be 30,000. If you also render some services to them, you as well take that and you input that. Maybe stop taking, you charge them 20,000, add item, right? So their total bill will now be what? 150,000. Then you generate this invoice and send it to them immediately. So this invoice, I don't want to generate this actually, but once I generate this invoice, it's going to be a one-time payment, and they have to pay the exact amount on that invoice, not like they pay part and pay part later. Pay it once, and immediately they make that payment, you understand, into that account. The account will even carry their name with Prokip name, and it's a money point instant payment account. And once they do that, you will be credited for your own commission here immediately. You will see right here, you see earnings, withdrawable earnings. It will come right here immediately for you to see. From that, their payment, you understand, your commission, your 50% commission, any commission that is due to you, the service charge, it will be added here immediately. And by Friday that week, you'll be able to withdraw straight into your bank account immediately. So then apart from that, you can come straight to under leads again. And apart from agent or business you meet by yourself, you can find business nearby. You can use my location after the system has acquired the location, right? After the system has acquired your location, and then you can say, what type of business am I basically looking for? If your location somehow, if it's remote, you might not pick it up, just like this. So you basically look at what are the type of business I want to focus on. Maybe salon, you understand? Then beauty salon or beauty spa. You can even change it and say barbing salon, you understand, stuff like that. So let's say barbing salon. You can pick different headings apart from those ones that are on the system by default. Then you click on find, and then once you find, it's going to bring you business around that locality that's not too far from your area based on the address. Then you'll be able to see next barbing salon, different barbing salons that you can see right here. So I can see their phone number and the address. So it's not like you go and meet them right now immediately. You can click on this, you can select those one, all these odds, they are big businesses that there's possibility that they might use Prokip. Then you can select those one you want to interact with, you understand now? Select those one you want to interact with. As I selected them now, import leads. So once I import leads, those leads will automatically be available in my manage leads here. So once you come back to the manage leads, you see all those leads that I just imported will come around there. So from here you can start interacting with them. You can first of all chat them on WhatsApp by clicking on this. It will take you straight to WhatsApp, where you can introduce yourself and pitch Prokip straight to them by using some AI prompts related to how you can introduce Prokip to these businesses. And when you get a reply from them, you can open up conversation with them, and if possible, call them, and lo and behold, if you are able to attend to all these businesses, and eventually any one of them are now ready, just like what you did to Crison. You added Crison by yourself. This one you imported Crison from business, all this business from business near me. You just basically click to proceed and repeat the same thing you did to Crison. Convert to business when they are ready for free trial. You create it and send it to them. If they request a proposal, you send proposal to them immediately. And when they say they are ready to pay, you create their invoice and they make payment. You already created username and password for them. Subscription will be added. You fix up. Then this one here is activity log, status, or maybe you have visited them, you've talked to them, just a feedback, and they need support, or you are going for demo. You drop those information here. You understand? So that's a quick. There's a whole lot you can still do on this dashboard, but that's a quick one. Then you can see the list of all the invoices that you've generated and customer have made for this particular account. One of my agent accounts here now that I'm using for this demo. These are some businesses he has onboarded and they're using Prokip and they have made payment, as you can see on his dashboard. These are some businesses he has already on his dashboard. You understand? 3 invoices already confirmed. So and that's just that. So there are other things you can do, but you can check those free trials. When you created the account and added free trials, you can see the status of those free trials here. You understand? You can see the status of those. You can follow up with calls and stuff like that. So then all the businesses you have created that are active, you can see them right here. Then there are other things you can do. Then you can check your earning and withdraw your earning from this place. All these earnings, this person has to withdraw them and withdraw your earning from this place and check your earnings free wallet transfer, stuff like that. You understand? So basically, let's stop here. I don't want this video to be over long. So let's start. If you have anything, the knowledge base is right here. You can proceed with knowledge base, watch some videos, or how to add supplier. Everything you need to do to be able to excel in working on Prokip, all of them are right here for you to quickly watch. and practicalize like expenses on Prokip. You quickly all those tests you did, the knowledge base are here. You can watch the video all over again quickly. You understand? So basically everything is ready for you. All the tools are ready for you right here immediately. So let me see after watching the video. If you have any questions, reach back to me and let's get started. Thank you.